Hey y'all, since I always forget to show you guys my cooking, here's my cooking. My cooking is looking good. Look at that. Man. Yep. Anyway, did I ever tell you I love my pellet grill? Maybe used and rode hard and put away wet, but she's all mine and I got her cheap. Traded a Garrett metal detector for it. Look at them pellets. Those don't taste good. Running at 350 right now. Although I looked at this temperature and it was 400 degrees. Got a little flake in here. A little flaky. It's alright. Temperature's going up. Why is this flashing? I think, battery's not dead. Okay, whatever. It's flashing. Guess I'll have to deal with it. Something says off here. I don't know what that icon is. Guess we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to end this. Look at how dirty that is. I tried to clean it. Lost half the pictures. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye, y'all.